Hey guys, Ag Nerd here. We just got through talking about our hay meadow out there that's hoping it might cure for our to get it baled before wet weather comes in. But today I want to talk about our new hay rake, and it's new to us. By no means is it new, it's just new to us. It's a pinwheel rake. It's a 6-wheel inline rake, 3-point hookup. We bought it somewhere, I don't remember exactly where, but it was somewhere in the hill country. Of course, we're East Texas, Tyler area, so I think it was like a little down below Austin, San Antonio, in between Austin and San Antonio. And big upgrade from our little New Holland rake, and it's good. It's an upgrade, and we still have our other New Holland rake, and so it's our backup. It's always good to have a backup. I'd love to be able to get to a point where I have a backup cutter, backup rake, which I got now, and then someday when we grow up, we're going to get a round baler. So we would have a round baler, and our backup would be our square baler, or vice versa. But that's the plan someday when we grow up. But this is a 6-wheel inline rake. And man, I tell you what, we are raking much more hay than we were with our little New Holland. I don't know what brand this is. Much like any equipment we buy, we look for Craigslist, Marketplace on Facebook, auctions, all those different things. And we picked up this rake for a couple $100. I think the guy was asking $250 for it, $250. I drove down there, I loaded little Miss Moxie up, and we took the blue Ford and a little 16-foot bumper pull, and we went down there, and I don't haggle with them too much, but I just said, hey, I came down, would you take $200? And he said, sure. And so anyhow, there's our $200 hay rake. Once again, not sure what model it is, what brand it is. There's no badges. It's just what it is. And so we'll see it in action. So anyhow,